Hi Dress-So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the letters A through F from Alphabet Lore, Part 1. So let's get started. To draw these cute letters, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So we're going to start with the letter A, and I'm going to start right here and just draw this rounded off rectangle. So we're just going to round off the corners and create this little rounded off rectangle. Sorry, lost for words. So I'm going to come right across about right here, just enough for a little mouth opening, and draw the same thing. And connect. And then we're going to come back in the center, just add a soft curve across, and then come right here and we're just going to draw a little rectangle and shade it all in. And same thing right here. So it's towards this way a little bit more. There. And then from there we're going to come in between the eyes, and about right here we're just going to draw a curve right about here. And then we're going to go up a little bit higher than the eyes, go across and connect. Then let's come back in here and we're going to draw 3 lines. There. Now let's draw the letter. So we're going to come above the eye, say about right here and here, like maybe the center of the eye, and we're going to go up at an angle for the top of our A. So let's say about right here, not too much of an angle, let's say about like that. Then we're going to round it off, come across and down. Then let's follow this angle down past, and we're going to come about right here and here. And let's come down to say about right here underneath the mouth. And I'll just draw a little line. And then we're going to open up the legs for our A. So about right there, and then let's go ahead and connect. So just take a look how tall you want to make your A, and about right here. So now that I've drawn my A, this is basically going to be my template for all the other letters in terms of size. So let's go ahead and we're going to draw the B right next to it. So once again, we're going to start with the eyes, and I'll start by right here in the center area. And let's see here, we're going to draw the eyes, and this time it's at an angle. So it's this little rectangle, rounded off rectangle or square, and another one. So right next to it at an angle, and draw another one. There. And then once again, come in here with a curve and another curve, and then this little rectangle inside and shade it all in. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come back right here in between the eyes, and we're going to draw this little nose. So right here, pop out this little angle and come in. And right about here where the eyes are, we're going to come down to about right here, so about the same level as your A, and go up. And then let's see here, now to draw our B, right? So we're going to bring this down to about right here, in kind of like the center of the eye, and then one more big curve and connect. There. And then we have a mouth we need to draw, so right about here we're going to draw a line all the way through, and then curve it and bring it in, and then put a little line right here for some teeth. There, so we got B. Now to draw C. So let's come once again to about the center area. We're going to draw these slanted eyes, and so this time it's a little bit more stretched out and at an angle. There, so just add an angle and another one right next to it. So as you draw these letters, Dress-So Cuties, don't worry, it doesn't have to be exact or perfect, right? We're doing this totally freehand, and as long as we're close, everyone can tell that it's the alphabet lore letters, right? So hopefully you just have fun with these awesome letters here that were created. So cute. And right here and here. And once again, about right here, we're going to shade it in for the eyes. From there, we're going to draw this arc. So let's come back to where the eyes are, about right here. I'm going to pop out our C. So about here, so just about here and come down. Create our C, and then let's thicken it up. And we're going to bring it back to about here. So we just kind of want the same thickness as much as possible as we go around. That is our goal. And I just want to end about the same area as my B. So we're trying to keep all our letters a little bit consistent in certain terms of size, so that we know it's one big family, right? Okay, so now A, B, C, now we have D. So I'm going to come right underneath my A, and once again, about in this area, we're going to draw those eyes again. So let's come right here, round off these rectangles. This one's a little bit more behind right there, and then we're going to draw the eyelid right here, the bottom, and another one, and then the rectangle, and shade it in. So definitely let me know in the comments below what is your favorite letter. Okay, so we have the eyes, and then let's go up. So about right here, we're going to go up, and let's see. So we want to try and make it about the same size, right? So let's come about right here. I forgot I have to draw this little lip, so it's come out. Come in at an angle, curve. Then we're going to continue this, bring it down. Then let's go back up right here, and we're going to draw the body of our D. So let's bring this out nice and wide. Try and match the sizes of all these other letters, and about right here, we're going to round it off our chin and connect. There. So we have our D. Now to draw E. So E, once again, the eyes are kind of in the center area. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw those eyes again. So this one eye is slightly smaller. So come right here. This one, then there's one a little bit higher and bigger towards the back. This one just looks so silly, right? This E. It's kind of like an Elvis with the hair. And then right here. So hopefully I'm not going too fast, and I'm helping you draw these letters. And there. Okay, so then from there, we're going to use the top of this eye, and we're going to go across. So this is one of the arms in our E. And then we're going to come back right here to draw another line. So this is one arm. Then we're going to bring this up and bring this down. Then let's go, let's see here, we're going to go up about right here to draw the top arm of our E, curve it in, so kind of like Elvis's hair, and then we're going to bring this down to about the same level. There, and then now for the bottom, let's bring this down a little bit more. And about right here, we're going to go up slightly, curve it in, and connect. There. Now to draw some teeth. So let's come back right here. We're just going to draw a line in, and another one right here. And some teeth. And two at the top. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see, we need to draw the famous F, right? That's causing all the trouble. And so let's come right here, and the eyes are at slant, just kind of like the C, but a little bit shorter. So let's come about right here at the top. An angle. We're going to draw rounded off rectangle. There. And let's come back in here. Draw that line and then shade this all in and here as well. There. And then we're going to draw the arms of our F. So come right back to where the I is. Come out, and about right there. And this part we're going to come down, so slight angle. It's not straight down. So it's a slight angle, about right here. And come back to the I. And about right here. It's connected, so like an alligator almost, right? Reminds me of an alligator. And the other arm. So this one's a little bit shorter. We're going to bring it down, connect, and continue this, and connect. There. And then we have to draw these teeth. So let's come back in here. We're going to draw an angle, and it's just a bunch of V's, 3 V's, 2 and 3. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw these letters A through F from alphabet lore, fun and easy today. And part 2, part 3, and part 4 will be coming soon because it's going to take about that many for me to finish all the letters. But I really hope you look forward to them, and definitely let me know in the comments below which is your favorite letter so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.